So this is how they are dropping them. So when you continue with the other road that is going up, you go through Rubaga Hospital and then Rubaga, the church, St. Mary's Cathedral. This is where I'm starting today's video. This road takes you to Wandegea, and then this way, the city center. The other side takes you the side of Kasubi, and this road that crosses is called Hoima Road. So around here, it is Nankulabi where the traffic lights are. But I'm not going to be taking you this other side. I'm going to be turning from around here and take you to the Mutesa one road. This is the one, it's currently under construction. So let's go and see what is being done. If we trace this road, I think it's supposed to take us up to around the Albert Cook Road. Yeah, coming from the sides of Rubiri SS around there. That's where we are going to be joining it from. Hopefully you stick around and subscribe to the channel. Subaru. So this road was named after the 30th king of Uganda, who happens to be Mutesa Walugembe Kayiira. He was the 30th king of Buganda Kingdom, and he is the one they named after this road. And now they are constructing it into a better one. It has been like this for some time, and that is some information about it. They say it is a 2-kilometer road. So let's explore the 2 kilometers and see what they have to offer. Hopefully we'll make it through, but that is my target as well. So in most cases what they do these days, they first clear off the fences and then work on the tunnels or water drainage system. And after the water drainage system, they focus onto the middle part. So they started long ago on the drainage system, and they are somewhere still working, not so close to finishing, no, a bit some time needed. So this is how they are dropping them. So this is the channel. They are putting harder rocks and then make sure they work upon them. They are firm, and then they lay the culverts, which are going to be helping in the drainage or taking away water and sewage. Is it all right for me to say sewage? Anyway, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is here. Visitors, welcome. Look at this goat. So these areas are some of the areas that where hostels of the students of the Mutesa University are, the campus in the city. That's where they stay. So let's go. This is Namirembe Parents Day and Boarding Primary School around here. It has been in place since 2003. Simply meaning in 2023 it turned 20 years. It's a Catholic founded. the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Kampala, whatever it is. I also know, I think that's where the Ethiopian Orthodox stray from, just like it is for many other people here. They have freedom of worship. You are supposed to worship whoever you feel like, as long as it doesn't affect the others. Garbage stinking around here. Yeah, this is the truck carrying it. And by the way, we are currently in Rubaga division. It is north, Rubaga north. This is where we are. The sides of Kasubi, they're all in Rubaga north, and the sides of Mutundwe, all those ones are in the other part of Rubaga. That's how big it is. So around here we are going to be crossing the Nabulagala road. So it's that road that takes to the parts of Kasubi Nabulagala. I don't want to cross from the middle there. I am supposed to cross from this other side. Here it's easy to cross. So someone is fixing water over there. There is a leakage. I had to run faster to pave way for him to throw out the debris. So this is how they're doing stuff around here. This was someone's perimeter wall. It was broken. Here is where the gate was. It was also broken. Yeah, according to the law, that person is supposed to be compensated. And I think they did that. So yeah, they've already laid the culverts. They're only remaining with the construction of the channel around here. And then it moves on. So here there is ISAP International Limited, work abroad, cleaners, security guards, housemates, taxi drivers. This is where they are. Just in front there, there is another one called Sahara. Yeah, there are more companies that are taking Ugandans abroad for work. There are more companies these days. So that is one of the big deals that is happening in here. I also almost went, but ended up losing money. And I gave up on it. As we move forward, now we are crossing another road. This road is called Chitakule Road. It takes you up the Mirembe Hill from the other side to this way. But we're still tracking these constructions around here. So there were lots of trees by the road that were cut to pave way for the road. Look at that, the trunk. So lots of trees lost lives. That one is called Security Link. It also takes people abroad. So there is several of these companies in the country. Cow's meat is called beef. Look at all those. They haven't put on that other side. Well, these look small compared to the ones we saw on the other road of Sentema, the Sentema road. Country View Gardens for all events, wedding ceremony, graduations, fast foods, buffet birthday parties, pool table fruits and cold drinks. Hopefully you've seen the number. So the church Rubaga is over there, up those towers you see. Is it okay if I zoom in? This one right here. That is the church. 100+ years. It was the first one, and it is the oldest church in Uganda. Then there is another one in Entebbe, a few kilometers to the airport, I think like 3 kilometers to the airport, Bugunga, something like that. There is another church. It looks old. You can check it out. I think I dropped it in the community tab some months ago, and I've not been uploading, so you can check it out and see for yourself. I'll continue saying this without fear or favor. Yeah, these roads are not being widened, they're just being tarmacked. Like here, you can clearly see, they're just going to tarmac here, and that is it. The Namirembe Church is over just right there. So the advised speed limit around here, and these ones are a bit big than the ones you've seen behind there. The advised speed around here is 30. That's the maximum you should drive. See, the ones down are bigger than these, and maybe I see an X on these ones. It's as if the person that delivered the wrong ones, or they were going to use them, and the supervisors found out that they weren't the ones that they agreed upon. Of course, you know, those are some of the avenues through which those people get some extra fees. So according to that signpost, that is Sentema Road over there. So I've done this road already. This is the Sentema Road. It goes up to around there. That's where CBS is, the radio station, and the Kingdom's administration offices. So it goes up to the other side down. But my aim is to follow here, this 2-kilometer road, and show you the works that are going on. So this is how this road is going to be. I guess to be helpful in the decongestion of some roads. Do you think, guys, this is important or it's a wastage of time? You let me know. Of course, every other person has their opinion. And yes, you can't stop people from having opinions about such public projects, because this is where the taxes go. And mostly when someone is a taxpayer, you let them say whatever they feel like, as long as they don't attack anyone. So this perimeter wall was broken down, and I think they still need more of the other parts, and then more of this other wall. Look at this huge tree. Hopefully they don't cut down this tree. It's very huge. You see? They need 0.9 meters into the other side, meaning they have to put it down. Platinum Projects Limited shifting to Kabusu Bomotoka Road, Rubaga. So this is a small town around here, and I think the road is going to be very, very important to them once it is worked upon. And I think it will be giving these people that have food stuff by the road market. I see green bananas, foods like Irish and many others. All those will have market because more people will resort to using this road than taking on other road projects. What has amazed me about these people that are working on this road, they're not concentrating on one part, no, they are scattered. There are some here, there's some the other side where we started from, there's some in the middle, and I see some at the extreme end the other side. Hopefully that way work will come at once. What do you think, guys? So around here, this is where the Curious Funeral Services are. So they say their motto is "We stand with you." Over there, that's where they are. And I've not showed you where they're working. They're working just right there. They are covering up the culverts. Let me cross from somewhere around here, and this one here has done some shattering, and he's still doing it. He has vegetables, she has fruits as well, and food on his wheelbarrow. That's how amazing Ugandans are. They will try whatever possible avenues to see that they make money. And I always support Ugandans as long as something is legal and it's not affecting anyone or destroying the environment. Please go for it. At the end of the day, all we need is bills cleared. You know? So around here they've worked onto the system, the water, the drainage system, and this other side they haven't done so. These ones have X's on them. I think these ones were the authorities or the supervisors told them not to use those small ones, because for sure they are small. You see, even a person like me that is not an engineer sees they are small, then there is someone who will say, who are you? But there are things that we just need to use our common senses and see. So this one is carrying culverts. And in a few seconds, like 1 minute, we shall be where we are supposed to be ending the video. Hopefully you've liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and as well shared it with the people that you think will need it. Like recently someone told me, as I was filming, this person saw her house and she liked the video, of course. So please do it. Do it for me. So these are working by the roadside, the mechanics. That's where we've come from, and we are approaching the main road. So when you continue with the other road that is going up, you go through Rubaga Hospital and then Rubaga, the church, St. Mary's Cathedral. Thank you for watching to this very end. I want to end the video around here. Remember to like it for me, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. I'm out. Peace.